Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know that I'm sitting in a very different setup today. I was actually looking for a corner where I get the natural light so that I can show you the progress of my skin and how my skin actually looks like, because under all of the unnatural lights that is, the artificial lights that we use, our skin tends to look so damn different. I really wanted to show you because I think my skin is really doing so much well with the kind of products that I've been using. So it's a weekend and I really wanted to give myself a different kind of skincare. So I was just looking at my skincare vanity and I saw that these are some products that I have been using in the past and these were so damn good, and I thought let's do one brand review because this is one brand that I really want to talk about because it is so damn underrated. And if you have if you have skin concerns like pigmentation, aging, dullness, you can actually reach out to these products. So I'm going to talk about the brand PHT, which is Proven Honest Derma. So basically, this is an Indian brand where dermats across the globe from UK, USA, and also India have collaborated together to make this products for especially Indian skin tone, which I'm so happy about. I don't see creators talking about it, I don't see anyone talking about it. But when I got my hands on this, I so damn loved it. To start with, I have the cleanser, which is so good, but I've already done the face cleansing part. So let's quickly move because I think I've spoken a lot about this brand. So we're going to do one brand skincare today, and I'm very excited. And I'm also going to share what actually these products do to my skin. First product I have from this brand is their 2% alpha arbutin depigmentation serum. This is something it looks like. It looks so damn gorgeous. I love the packaging. I love how it looks. And if you see, I have used so much of the products now. This has 2% alpha arbutin, which means this is definitely going to work on your hyperpigmentation. When I got an acne right here, which I don't think you will be able to see, I use this like every single night and I could see this fading away, and I don't even think it's there. Very light mark is there, which will go away with consistency of using the product, but this one have truly worked. I love this product. So if you have hyperpigmentation, acne marks, and also age spots, you can actually use this because it's a beautiful product. Also, I'm going to show you the consistency of this product. If you see, this is extremely watery, so it's great. I love how the pipette is very simple, no fancy stuff, it just does its job. So we're going to take few drops of this product and generously apply it all over the skin so it quickly gets absorbed in your skin, as you see. And I love to give it a nice pat because I think it actually helps to get absorbed in the skin very quickly. And just look how gorgeous my skin actually looks right now. So we are done with the serum. Now we're going to move to moisturization. Now there are days that when I feel that my skin is a little dehydrated and I don't feel good about my skin, I actually do double moisturization, and that's the reason I picked up this brand today. So I've got two moisturizer from this brand. Number one is the vitamin C and number two is the niacinamide. Now this is for all skin type and it is fragrance free, and niacinamide one is for oily and acne prone skin and it is fragrance free. Now first let's do the vitamin C one. So this is something it looks like, and I'm going to take generous amount of this product and just apply it on my skin and give it like a good massage, and just keep on massaging for good 30 seconds so that it just penetrates inside my skin. And that's about it. Just look at how glowy my skin looks like. This one is extremely lightweight, generously hydrates my skin and gives me like a nice glow, which I absolutely love. And you can already see how lovely my skin is looking right now. Now we're going to go to another moisturizer, which is a 3% niacinamide oil-free moisturizer. Now this has Centella asiatica and also tripeptides, again so fabulous for your skin. This is actually for oily and acne prone skin. So again, we're going to take generous amount of this product and just put it all across the face and neck, very important, and give a gentle massage to the skin and make sure that it targets all the areas of your skin, neck, and also back of your ear. Now, this is actually a non-greasy moisturizer to regulate sebum production and promote healthy looking skin like you see. And always remember that whenever you apply your skincare products, always keep a gap of about 40 to 60 seconds between each of the products so that it gets ample of time to penetrate inside the skin and do its work. And just now look at how my skin looks absolutely stunning without any makeup. And I absolutely love this product as well. Also, if you have leftover product which you think is going to go waste, just apply it on your hands and feet. And yeah, it all makes sense, right? Unfortunately, I don't have a sunscreen from this brand, so I'm going to go grab my sunscreen and just apply a generous amount from another brand. Probably I'll use Beauty of Joseon or Be Body Wise because that's the two sunscreen that I have. But yes, apart from that, this is something I did today, and I think my skin looks so good. And if I have to step out, all I'm going to do is just apply like a good cheek and lip tint, and that's about it. And I think my skin is going to feel and look amazing. I've been working on my skin extremely thoroughly, externally, internally. I've been doing as much as good as possible. I've been doing yoga, I've been doing my asanas and meditation. I've been living a very, very slow life. I really don't want to burden a lot of things on myself. And then, it's basically if you don't get your sleep, if you take a lot of stress, it is going to show up on your skin. I'm not saying that my skin is at the best right now, but I feel I've come like a long way. And skincare itself wouldn't work if you're not happy inside. I know I'm giving like out of context uh, gyan, but trust me when I say this, if you're not happy and you're always stressed, if you're not having plenty of water, if you're not having a clean diet, whatever you apply on the skin, it is not going to work because gut cleansing is extremely important. And I have been on like a detox diet, which is actually a lot of fun, which I think I should actually share. So if you want me to share that, just put that in the comments or just DM me on Instagram, and probably I'll make that one for you because it's very interesting, because it is really going to show up on your skin. Your skin is actually going to glow. So I have been doing that for a while. And yes, that's about it. I really love this brand. I think, if there are brands, especially dermats, who are in India and they are working for our skin tone, we can actually and we should approach these brands because they exactly know how Indian skin tone functions depending on the weather, the lifestyle, and everything. So I think you should definitely try these products, and these are so damn affordable. So having said that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Love, love.